English Grammar and Composition 9 to 10. Contents. Chapter 1. Paragraph Writing. 1. My School. 2. Girl Guides. 3. A Visit to a Museum. 4. A Visit to a Hospital. 5. Fashions. 6. A River in Flood. 7. A Dream. 8. How to Keep Our Town Clean. 9. An Industrial Exhibition. 10. My Neighbor. 11. A Meena Bazaar. 12. A Road Accident. 13. Pakistani Women. Exercises with hints. 1. A Fortune Teller. 2. Basant. 3. A Picnic. 4. A Street Quarrel. 5. A Visit to an Historical Place. 6. A Visit to Dai Zoo. 7. Allama Iqbal. 8. The Teacher I Like the Best. 9. A House on Fire. 2-story writing. Introduction. Specimen. 1. Kindness of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. 2. Robbers turn good citizens. 3. The donkey trapped in his own trick. 4. The foolish stag. 5. A friend in need is a friend indeed. 6. Haste makes waste. 6. A big reward. 8. The tailor and the elephant. 9. The clever cat and the vain fox. X. The Muslim Brotherhood. 11. The boy who cried wolf. 12. The jester and the king. Exercises. Stories and outlines. 3 letters, applications, and invitations. 1. To your mother who is worried about your health. 2. To your father asking him about the health of your mother. 3. To your sister congratulating her on her success in the examination. 4. To your mother about the test you have just taken. V. To your father requesting him to send you some extra funds for payment of hostel dues. 6. To your brother about the importance of the study of science subjects. 7. To your friend congratulating her on her birthday. 8. To your friend requesting her to spend her spring holidays with you. 9. To your friend congratulating him on the marriage of his sister. 10. To your friend requesting him to lend you some books. 11. To your friend thanking her for her hospitality during your visit to her house. 12. To your friend condoling the death of his mother. 13. To your brother advising him to take steps to improve his health. 14. To your sister thanking her for a gift. 15. To your friend thanking him for the books he lent to you. Invitations. Acceptance and refusal. Applications. For leave. For grant of fee concession or stipend. For character certificate. For a job. Letter to a bookseller to send you some books. For dialogue writing. Examples. Between a teacher and a student. Between 2 students regarding prayers. Asking one's way. Between a brother and a sister concerning time. Between a tailor and a customer. 5. Comprehension of a passage. Solved examples. Exercises. 6. Essay writing. My last day at school. Sports and games. My house. Courtesy. Libraries. Health. The monsoon or a rainy day. A scene at the railway station. A hockey match. A cricket match. A true Muslim. Life in a big city. Village life. Television. A visit to a hill station. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Boy Scouts. Essays and outline. My favorite book. My ambition. My hobby. Our school canteen. My best friend. Exercise. 7. Translation. Table of question words. Conjugation of verbs. Introductory at, and, there. Use of is, am, are, and, was, were. Use of has, have. Use of had. Present indefinite tense, active voice. Present continuous tense, active voice. Present perfect tense, active voice. Present perfect continuous tense, active voice. Present indefinite tense, passive voice. Present continuous tense, passive voice. Present perfect tense, passive voice. Past indefinite tense, active voice. Past continuous tense, active voice. Past perfect tense, active voice. Past perfect continuous tense, active voice. Past indefinite tense, passive voice. Past continuous tense, passive voice. Past perfect tense, passive voice. Future indefinite tense, active voice. Future continuous tense, active voice. Future perfect tense, active voice. Future perfect continuous tense, active voice. Future indefinite tense, passive voice. Future perfect tense, passive voice. Paragraphs. 8. Grammar. Parts of speech. Pair of words. 9. Vocabulary. Chapter 9. Vocabulary. Oblique lines indicate syllables. A. Animals, beasts, birds, and reptiles, etc. Ant. Ape. Ass. Bat. Bear. Bitch. Buffalo. Bug. Bull. Butterfly. Calf. Camel. Chicken. Cobra. Cock. Colt. Crab. Cricket. Crocodile. Cuckoo. Deer. Dove. Duck. Eagle. Firefly. Flea. Goose. Grasshopper. Kid. Kitten. Leech. Leopard. Lizard. Locust. Louse. Mosquito. Moth. Mule. Nightingale. Partridge. Peacock. Pigeon. Quail. Scorpion. Sparrow. Spider. Squirrel. Stag. Swallow. Tortoise. Vulture. Wasp. Bee. Buildings. Airport. Asylum. Auditorium. Barrack. Bathroom. Bedroom. Bridge. Castle. Church. Cinema. Clinic. Cloakroom. Convent. Court. Factory. Fort. Go down. Guest house. Hospital. Hostel. Hotel. Inn. Jail. Kitchen. Laboratory. Latrine. Lavatory. Library. Mint. Monastery. Mosque. Museum. Nursery. Observatory. Orphanage. Palace. Playground. Police station. Port. Post office. Presidency. Prison. Rest house. Restaurant. Sanatorium. Shrine. Stadium. Temple. Theater. University. Zoo. C. Kitchen utensils and household articles. Almirah. Ashtray. Basket. Bed sheet. Blanket. Broom. Bucket. Carpet. Cooker. Cosmetics. Couch. Cradle. Cupboard. Curtain. Cushion. Doormat. Dressing table. Fork. Frying pan. Grate. Jar. Kettle. Ladle. Lantern. Lid. Mattress. Mirror. Nail cutter. Needle. oven, peg, pillow, pillowcase, quilt, razor, refrigerator, rosary, rug, saucer, scissors, sponge, spoon, strainer, tap, teapot, television, tongs, towel, tweezers, vase, wardrobe, wash basin, washroom, tools etc. Arrow, axe, bellows, bow, cartridge, chisel, compass, dagger, drill, file, hammer, handsaw, hatchet, hoe, lathe, mill, pickaxe, plane, plow, saw, scales, screwdriver, shield, sickle, solder, spade, spanner, spud, thimble, whetstone, fruits, vegetables and spices, almond, aniseed, arum, apricot, banana, beans, beet, brinjal, cabbage, chilies, cinnamon, carrot, clove, coriander, cucumber, cumin, currant, garlic, cardamom, carrot, cauliflower, melon, mint, mulberry, mustard, olive, onion, peach, pear, peas, pepper, pineapple, pistachio, plum, ginger, guava, lady's finger, pomegranate, poppy seed, pumpkin, radish, raisin, raspberry, spinach, tamarind, turmeric, turnip, vinegar, walnut, watermelon, diseases, bruise, cancer, cholera, cold, constipation, cough, cramp, diabetes, dysentery, gout, headache, jaundice, malaria, measles, palpitation, paralysis, plague, pneumonia, smallpox, toothache, typhoid. Parts of human body: ankle, armpit, backbone, bowels, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelids, gums, hip, kidney, liver, lung, mole, nail, navel, calf, chin, collarbone, elbow, nerve, nostril, palate, palm, pupil, sole, spleen, temple, thigh, vein, waist, wrist. Geographical terms: autumn, breeze, canal, cave, climate, cloud, comet, continent, crescent, dew, flood, fog, gulf, hail, ocean, peninsula, plain, season, spring, drizzle, earthquake, eclipse, universe, valley, volcano. Geographical names: Abyssinia, Arabia, Arabian Sea, Atlantic, Egypt, Equator, Far East, Greece, India, Indian Ocean, Jordan, Mars, Middle East, Britain, Sri Lanka, China, Cyprus, Morocco, North Pole, Pacific Ocean, Pole Star, Poles, Portugal, South Pole, Spain. Syria. J. Trades and professions. Actor, agent, astrologer, athlete, baker, blacksmith, bookbinder, broker, butcher, hawker, juggler, mason, mechanic, midwife, pickpocket, pilot, porter, potter, butler, cobbler, darner, draper, druggist, dyer, electrician, goldsmith, greengrocer, sailor, seamstress, sexton, soldier, stationer, sweeper, turner, weaver. K. Some expressive words and phrases. A. Idiomatic comparisons. Bitter, as, gall. Black, as, coal, crow, night. Blind, as, bat. Bold, as, lion. Bright, as, day. Brittle, as, glass. Busy, as, bee. Clear, as, crystal. Cold, as, ice. Dry, as, bone, dust. Firm, as, rock. Green, as, grass. Hard, as, flint, stone. Heavy, as, lead. Hot, as, fire. Loud, as, thunder. Pale, as, ghost. Quick, as, lightning. Red, as, rose, cherry. Smooth, as, velvet. Soft, as, butter, wax. Still, as, grave, death. Stupid, as, ass, donkey. Sure, as, death. Sweet, as, honey. Ugly, as, toad. Warm, as, wool. White, as, snow. B. Words denoting collectivities. Assembly, of, people. Brood, of, chickens, hens. Board, of, directors. Bunch, of, flowers, grapes, keys. Bundle, of, hay, sticks. Chain, of, mountains. Clump, of, trees. Cluster, of, trees, stars. Crew, of, sailors. Fleet, of, ships. Flight, of, birds, stairs, locusts. Flock, of, geese, sheep. Gallery, of, pictures. Gang, of, laborers, robbers, thieves. Herd, of, cattle, swine. Hive, of, bees. Herd, of, gold. Horde, of, savages. Host, of, men. Litter, of, pigs, puppies. Pack, of, hounds, wolves. Pair, of, glasses, scissors, shoes, tongs. Quiver, of, arrows. Range, of, hills, mountains. Sheaf, of, arrows, calm, grain, wheat. Shoal, of, fish. Shower, of, rain. Stack, of, arms, corn, hay, wood. String, of, camels. Stud, of, horses. Suit, of, clothes. Suite, of, rooms. Team, of, oxen, players. Troop, of, actors. Yoke, of, oxen. C. Words indicative of sounds. Bark, for, dogs. Bellow, for, bulls. Bleat, for, goats, kids. Blow, for, bugles, trumpets. Bray, for, asses, donkeys. Buzz, for, flies. Cackle, for, geese. Caw, for, crows, rooks. Chatter, for, monkeys, teeth. Clang, for, arms. Cluck, for, hens. Coo, for, doves, pigeons. Croak, for, frogs, ravens. Crow, for, cocks. Gibber, for, apes. Growl, for, bears, tigers. Grunt, for camels, pigs. Hiss, for serpents, snakes. Hoot, for owls. Howl, for jackals, wolves. Hum, for bees, mosquitoes. Jingle, for bells, coins. Lisp, for babies. Low, for cattle. Mew, for cats. Neigh, for horses. Quack, for ducks. Ring, for bells. Roar, for lions, guns. Scream, for eagles, hawks, vultures. Screech, for owls. Sing, for birds, crickets, nightingales. Squeak, for mice. Talk, for parrots. Trumpet, for elephants. Twitter, for birds, sparrows. Yelp, for dogs, foxes, puppies. L. Words often misspelled. A list of 64 words is given below. These words are often wrongly spelled by students. Teachers should frequently dictate these words and correct the exercises, so that the students can spell these words correctly. Absence. Acknowledge. Across. Address. Already. Altogether. Among. Article. Beginning. Conquer. Describe. Divine. Either. Excellent. February. Fiery. Fifth. Foreign. Interest. Knowledge. Laboratory. Length. Library. Marriage. Minute. Necessary. Neither. Quiet. Quite. Receive. Seize. Separate. Success. Surprise. Thorough. Trouble. Believe. Benefited. Breathe. Business. Certain. Course. Coming. 40. Fourth. Goddess. Government. Grammar. Guard. Height. Niece. 90. Ninth. Occasion. Parallel. Privilege. Prove. Truly. Until. Usually. Wednesday. Weather. Writing. Written.